Here's how to know if someone blocked you on Snapchat. Now, if you're on Snapchat and you're messaging with somebody and all of a sudden they blocked you, I'll walk you through 3 telltale signs that they definitively blocked you. Now, let's first just open up the Snapchat app here. It usually starts with the camera. But if you're on the camera, let's first just head over to the messages. Now, if you had a message with somebody and all of a sudden it disappeared, that might be an indication that they blocked you. However, that's not a telltale sign. Let's next just tap on your profile at the top left. And then from here, we'll scroll down and tap on My Friends and search for that friend that you think might have blocked you. So let's say I think that Trevor blocked me, and it says no results are found. That's one indication that the person has blocked you because you can't find them in your friends anymore. But that's not the only thing. Let's go out of here and then go back to the very beginning. The next thing I would recommend doing is opening up a group chat. Let's say with this person. At the very top, tap on their name or tap on that specific group chat settings. And if you see on there that it says essentially that you can add that person, but you can't actually add that person. So you see them in the group chat, but you're not able to actually physically add them, or it says there's an error. That's an indication that they blocked you. The last thing that you can do on here is check on the Snap map. If you used to see them in the Snapchat map here, they share their location, but you no longer see them and you know where they are. They're in a specific region. Again, that's another indication that they have blocked you. Unfortunately, you can't unblock yourself unless they choose to do so. Hope this helps. If it does, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.